The Global Panel on Agriculture and Food Systems for Nutrition has developed a food systems policy tool to help policymakers and policy officials prioritise their actions to transform food systems so they provide healthier diets and are more sustainable. To discuss this tool, we are joined by Dr Lawrence Haddad, who is Executive Director at the Global Alliance on Improved Nutrition. Dr Haddad, thank you very much for joining us. Now, we've just had the UN Food Systems Summit, which you had a key leadership role in as chair of Action Track 1, with much discussion and over 200 commitments made. How do you think the Global Panel's food systems policy tool might help deliver on some of those commitments that were made?
So I think the tool from the Global Panel can really help countries prioritize and sequence their actions. Most countries have developed plans, they've developed priorities, but food systems are complex spaces and there are many entry points. And I think this tool will help them figure out where the entry point is by helping them identify what are they trying to achieve and then working backwards to find the most appropriate entry point.
Thank you, Dr. Haddad. I know the Global Alliance on Improved Nutrition has its own very good data sets, and your organisation was involved in the development of the excellent food systems dashboard. May I ask how you think the Global Panel's food systems policy tool might help complement some of these data sources?
I think the tool can complement these data sources in many ways. The food system dashboard is one platform that I think is very helpful to do three things: to describe a food system, to help diagnose a food system, and then help to link that diagnosis to a set of decisions about what to do. And I think the tool can be particularly helpful around the third D, the decision part. So I think we need to look at how to link the tool more closely with the dashboard, if that is possible.
Thank you, Dr. Haddad, for that very clear and concise description, particularly on how the Global Panel's policy tool might be used in the decision-making process. May I ask, as a policy advisor, if you're in a room with a policymaker or a key decision maker armed with a copy of the Global Panel's policy tool, what would be your take-home message for them?
My take-home message for policymakers and policy officials are: don't be overwhelmed by the number of different things you can do to make your food systems more healthy, more sustainable, with stronger livelihoods and more resilient. There are multiple things you can do, and don't see that as a burden. See it as a set of opportunities, and it's a set of opportunities that data and tools like this one from the Global Panel can really help you figure out how to prioritize and how to sequence, where to begin.
Dr. Lawrence Haddad, Executive Director of the Global Alliance on Improved Nutrition, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure.